Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, then welcome. And if you're not new, hey Faith Gang, I'm glad y'all came back to watch my video. I'm going to show you guys how I take my hair from looking like this to this. And to achieve this look, I'm going to be using only one product today. And I'm going to be using the Krown Cuckoo Man Nourishing Growth Oil for a scalp massage on my scalp. And to just moisturize my scalp before I start styling. And I'm also going to use my Aunt Jackie's Flaxseed Recipes Curl Maintenance Defining Curl Whip. And y'all, I've actually used this before and I really like this product. But before we get into this video, I'm going to leave my Instagram on the screen so you guys can follow me. And I'm also going to leave my business Instagram on the screen as well, so that you guys can check out my business page and my business website. But if you guys would like to see how I achieve these really cute and voluminous curls, then continue watching. Alright you guys, here you see me using my Nourishing Growth Oil as a scalp massage for my hair and making sure that I distribute the oil all over my scalp. And after I'm done distributing all the oil on my scalp, I then give myself a scalp massage to promote hair growth and to stimulate blood flow. And I like to massage my scalp all throughout, making sure I get my edges, the back of my hair, and the middle of my hair as well. Alright y'all, so before I start styling my hair, I like to spray my hair with water just to make sure that my hair is nice and saturated. And then I go in with a good amount of the curl whip just to ensure that my hair is nice and moisturized. And then I like to put the curl whip on my ends just to make sure that my hair is moisturized all throughout. And then I use my tangle teaser brush to ensure that my hair is nice and detangled. And then after I detangle my hair, I then start Bantu knotting. And as you guys can see, I'm twisting my hair in the opposite way of my face. And then I make sure that I brush my hair in between so that my hair is nice and smooth. And as you guys can see now, I'm beginning to form a knot. And once you have the knot, you then start just wrapping your hair around it. And you want to make sure that you hold the knot tightly just to make sure that the Bantu knot doesn't loosen up on you. And I basically follow that same process all throughout my hair. And when I do get closer to the end, I make sure that my end is nice and tucked underneath the Bantu knot so it doesn't unravel on me. And this is what the Bantu knot ended up looking like. And as I said before, I follow the same process throughout all of my hair. And now I'm just going to stop talking now and I'm going to let you guys see the process of me finishing Bantu knotting the rest of my hair. And then I'm going to show you guys how I separate my hair. Alright you guys, so I'm back from separating, and I really didn't have to fluff it because it kind of like already looks full and it has volume. But the only thing that I don't really like is that I was hoping to have looser curls. If you guys have been watching my videos for a while now and you guys have seen my other two Bantu knot out videos, I'll have them in the link up above so you guys can check those out. But if you have seen those two videos, comment down below if you guys think this Bantu knot is more shrunken than those other two Bantu knots that I did. And it's weird because I did this on air dried hair and I had it in twist, so I would think that I would have a more elongated curl, but I guess I applied too much of the defining curl whip. And I did sit under my dryer when I did my Bantu knot out 2 days ago, as well as yesterday before I went to work. And this is what my hair looks like after having my Bantu knots in for 2 days, hoping that they would be dry. But anyway, even though, like I said, I didn't get the results I wanted, I guess this will last me for a couple days. But it is something different that I don't usually have. I'm always doing twist out, so I wanted a different curl, especially because I'm getting ready to get knotless braids in a couple weeks, so I won't be able to do my hair. But I'm going to stop talking now and I'm going to end this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed yet and you made it to the end of this video, click that subscribe button so you can join the faith game. And click that post notification bell that's right next to the subscription button so you can get alerted every time I post another video. And before I end this video, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram at faith_natural_. I'm going to have my Instagram on the screen so you guys can see it. And I'm also going to have my business Instagram on the screen as well at Beauty Unleashed Collection, so that you guys can check out my website and so that you guys can check out my Instagram page. But with that being said, Faith Gang, I hope you guys have a great day or night, depending on when you watch this video. And if you guys would like to see me do a Bantu knot out on blown out hair with using less product to hopefully get a more elongated curl, then put that in the comment section down below and I would definitely do that for you guys. But like I said, I'm going to stop talking now and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, Faith Gang.